Unit 8. How's your car?
Hey, Al, how's your car?
No, I took it to the repair shop.
Oh, did you have an accident?
No, I left it with the mechanic for a tune-up.
When will it be ready?
The mechanic said it will be ready on Monday.
That's such a long time.
Yeah, it is a long time.
Are you planning on going on a trip?
No, I just take it to the mechanics every 3,000 kilometers or so.
Why do you do that?
It's very old. It needs a lot of care.
How old is your car?
It's a 1975 model.
Ha! That's not so old. My grandmother was born in 1912.
Well, I guess compared to your grandmother, my car isn't that old.
Hey, wait a minute. How are we going to get to the movie?
Well, we can walk or go by train. Up to you.
Are you crazy? Walk? The shopping mall is much too far.
In that case, we'll go by train.
Oh. Hey, Al, where's your car?
I took it to the repair shop.
Did you have an accident?
No, I left it with the mechanic for a tune-up.
When will it be ready? How old is your car?